Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is March 8th, 2016, and today is Tuesday morning. So looking at the economic calendar today, just one major thing coming out at 11:15 South African time, that's AM, GBP related number coming out. Governor Carney will be speaking, so that should affect the GBP. As we know, it's been clobbered over the past 6 months to a year. But we'll look at that just momentarily. We'll start out with the Euro USD. We had a little bit of a quiet day yesterday. I mean, ultimately, we've just been trading a little bit on this sideways. We had this big rally last week, and then we've just been hovering and flirting with this 110 level. So the question is this a support or is it a resistance? That's the million-dollar question, and where do we go from here? Looking at the 1-hour chart, we're at the top of the range. But if we look at a 4-hour chart, we see that the ranges actually get bigger. Next, resistance level to 111. It's questionable what I would do here. Not that it's going down. It's not going up, and it's not going down. It's been very quiet yesterday in the Euro USD. Quite a tight range with what's going on. Looking at the Dow Jones quickly. Also, just a little bit of a sell-off just in after hours. We have here, we hit 17,004. That's 17,041. We're at the top of the range. A little bit of a resistance level up here. The question is are we going to retrace? Are we going to go higher? After hours markets, we kind of sold off a little bit, but the markets are still strong. So the question is whether or not it's going to take a breather back to 16,800-ish level before it goes back up to 17,500. The question is, there's a lot of uncertainty in the markets with what's going on in the United States with the new president, with elections, with geopolitically what's going on with Great Britain exiting the EU. So there's a lot of shift in the markets, a lot of uncertainty. As such, gold has been rallying and continued its rally. Sold off a little bit yesterday, but trading now at 1268 and really challenging this upper range. Okay, and continuously challenging these upper ranges. Okay, we had this beautiful wedge formation last Thursday, and then Friday we took it up, and now we're just settling at 1268. So all in all, it's been a quiet Monday. Okay, which is historically very natural for Mondays to be quiet. So we're now trading at 1268. Let's see if we maintain this momentum and continue going up. Looking at the GBP Japanese yen, we had a little bit of a rally from this short covering. I say dead count bounce. Let's see if it continues or it maintains it. If there's a bull flag, and then we'll see some sort of correction because the GBP has really gotten clobbered across the board. Looking at the GBP USD here, also just making this double bottom. So the question is this a beginning of a reversal? Is it just a breather? That's the question we have to ask ourselves and really look into to see where this is going to go forward. So I'd look into the way Carney is going to be speaking today and take that into consideration. Looking at oil sold off a little bit, rallied to $37 a barrel, still very strong, I think, hitting this resistance 37.91, beautiful resistance level. And then selling off a little bit. Would I short it here? Possibly not. But until I saw some sort of confirmation, maybe if it tried to break back above 37.91 and failed, I'd consider shorting it. But as you can see, it has some momentum. It has some strength. So I wouldn't be the one to jump short in it all of a sudden. This is Razak at CMTrading. Want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.